Every great website starts with a clear problem to solve. We first understand the client's goals, the user's pain points, and what success really means for the project. Without clarity in the problem, design is just decoration.
Once the problem is defined, we move into ideation, collecting ideas, researching competitors, and studying user behavior. We create mood boards, explore styles, and brainstorm features that can actually make a difference. This is where creativity meets logic. Next comes wireframing, the blueprint of the website. At this stage, we don't focus on colors or images, we focus on structure, layout, and user flow. Wireframes help us visualize how information is organized and how users will move through the website. Before jumping into design, we test the flow. Can users find what they need easily? Are call to actions visible and logical? Usability testing at this stage helps fix small navigation issues before they become big design problems. Step 5. UI design, visual design. Now it's time to bring life to the wireframe, the UI design stage. We define colors, typography, spacing, and visual hierarchy to make the interface both beautiful and functional. Consistency and clarity are the key principles here. Once the visuals are ready, we connect everything into an interactive prototype. This lets clients and users experience how the website will actually feel. Buttons click, pages transition, and interactions come alive. It's the bridge between design and development. No design is perfect on the first try. We share the prototype with real users or stakeholders, gather feedback, and refine. Every small tweak, spacing, color contrast, button placement, improves the overall experience. Now design meets development. We convert the UI into a real, functional website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or frameworks like React or WordPress. Every animation, every layout, and every line of code is crafted to match the design.